Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pudding at home without custard powder. Start by combining 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a saucepan. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until smooth. This initial step is crucial for preventing lumps and ensuring a creamy texture. You'll also want to have your chosen flavorings, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ready to add later. Now, place your saucepan over medium heat. It's important to stir continuously to prevent scorching and ensure even cooking. Keep stirring until the mixture begins to thicken and comes to a gentle boil. Let it boil for about 1 minute, then remove it from the heat. This process activates the cornstarch, giving your pudding its characteristic rich consistency. Once off the heat, it's time to add your flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic taste, or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a chocolate version. For an extra touch of richness and a glossy finish, incorporate 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth, then carefully pour the warm pudding into your prepared serving dishes. To prevent a skin from forming, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm pudding. This ensures a smooth top. Transfer the dishes to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 2 hours, or until completely set and cold. Once firm, your homemade pudding is ready to enjoy. Garnish with fresh fruit or whipped cream if you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.